Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here guys, into this video we want to simply talk about on word problems on fractions, how to make use of the four basic operations which are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division to solve word problems on fraction. So right here guys, there are four different examples question I'm going to make use of, and this question is gotten from the India question, British, Nigeria question and core. So many different examples right here. So guys, let's get started. The first question we have right here is: Jenny spends 1/3 of her morning on food and 2/5 on clothes. What fraction of her money did she spend in total? Now this simply means addition of fractions. So we're going to bring out our parameters, and the first parameter right here we have is 1/3. Alright, so I'm just going to do that. We have 1/3 on food and the other is on clothes, which is 2/5. So we want to simply know the total of the money she spends together, and that is by simply adding together. So the first thing we want to do is to look for the LCM of 3 and 5, and you can easily do that by multiplying this, because 3 and 5 are odd numbers, they are prime numbers, and it can only be divided by itself. So you can easily multiply this and the LCM is going to be 15. Alright, so 3 into 15 is 5. 5 times 1 is going to give us 5, plus 5 into 15 is 3. 3 times 2 is going to give us 6. And in all, we are going to have 11/15. So this is the total amount of money that Jenny spends on both food and clothes. So guys, let's take a look at the next example. Right, so we have this right here. A farmer sold 5/6 of his yams, but later bought 1/4 of what is sold back. What fraction of his yams does he now have? So the first thing we want to do is to simply just subtract this. So a farmer sold 5/6 of his yams, but later bought 1/4 of what is sold back. So we want to simply subtract 5/6 from 1/4, because the question is asking us to look for what he has now presently. Okay, so in this right here, we want to look for the LCM of 6 and 4. And guys, if you're confused on how to look for LCM, please leave a comment below in the comment section. I'm just going to attend to that particular topic. So the LCM of 6 and 4, let's simply look for it. 6 and 4. Now this is easy. 2 into 6 is going to give us 3. 2 into 4 is going to give us 2. So 2 can divide, this becomes 3, because 2 cannot divide 3. 2 into 2 will give us 1. Now 3 can divide this, so we have 1, 1. So our LCM becomes 2 times 2 times 3, which is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is going to give us 12. So the LCM of 6 and 4, it is what? 12. Alright, so let's simply do this. 6 divided 12 is 2. 2 times 5 is going to give us 10, minus 4 into 12 is 3. 3 times 1 is going to give us 3, and in total we have this to be 7/12. That is 10 minus 3 is 7/12. So this is a fraction of the yam he has currently. Let's take a look at the next example question. Alright, so we have this right here. A recipe requires 3/5 cups of flour for 1 cake. How much flour is required to make 2.5 cakes? Alright, so the first thing we want to do is to simply convert this mixed fraction right here to an improper fraction. So the first one we have right here is 1/3/5, and to convert this we simply multiply the denominator by the whole number, then you add in the numerator all over the denominator. Okay, so this becomes 5 times 1, 5. 5 plus 3 is 8/5. So we convert the other right here, which is 2 number 1/2, and this becomes 2 times 2 plus 1/2, and this becomes 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5/2. Alright, so we have this right here. So the question is saying this amount of cups of flour is required to make 1 cake. How much is required to make 2.5 cup of cakes? So if this is required to make 1 cake, that simply means if we multiply the both of them, we are going to know the amount of flour that is needed to bake 2.5 cakes. So all we want to do is to simply multiply 8/5 times 5/2. Alright, now we can easily cancel out 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 5, 1. This can still go. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 8 is 4. So we have this to be 4 over 1 times 1 over 1, which is 4 times 1, 4. 1 times 1 is 1, which is equals to 4. So the amount of flour required to make 2.5 cups of cake is what? 4 cups of flour. So let's take a look at the last example in this video. Alright, so this question right here says, a rope is 6 or number 3 over 4 meters long. If it is cut into pieces each measuring 1 or number 1 over 2 meters, how many pieces can be made? We want to simply look for how many pieces we can get from this. Now that what simply comes to mind is division. Okay, so the first thing we want to simply do is to convert to an improper fraction. So we have this to be 6 or number 3 over 4. Converting to improper fraction is 4 times 6 plus 3 into 4, and this becomes 4 times 6, 24. 24 plus 3 becomes 27 over 4. So we simply just convert this right here. We have 1 or number 1 over 2, and this becomes 2 times 1 plus 1 over 2, and this is 2 times 1, 3. Sorry, 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. So we want to simply divide this to get how many pieces can be made. Alright, so this becomes 27 over 4 divide 3 over 2. And in order for us to be able to convert this to multiplication, we want to simply swap in this fraction, and this becomes 27 over 4 times the denominator comes to the numerator and the numerator goes to the denominator. Okay, so here we can easily cancel out. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 4 will give us 2. 3 into 3 is 1. And 3 into 27 it is 9. So we have 9 over 2 times 1 over 1, which is the same thing as 9 over 2. And if we simply divide this, we are going to have 4 whole number 1 over 2. 4 whole number 1 over 2 is the number of pieces that can be made from this. Alright, so this is how you can easily solve word problems on fraction. Like I've always said in my previous videos, if you have any topic that you find difficult to solve or is stressing you out, please do not forget to leave that topic in the comment section. I'm going to do a video on that. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.